Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making fried fish, dal, rice and kalonji. And this is my karela from my garden. So I'm going to make kalonji with them, with black shrimp. And I have here tilapia and striped bass that I'm going to fry. So we're going to start with the fish. We have fish seasoning, turmeric or dye, coriander powder, jeera, garam masala, curry powder. Garlic, green onion, and and wiri pepper in there as well. I'm gonna mix this up. We're gonna leave this to marinate for 1 hour and then we will fry the fish. So I'm gonna start to cook the shrimp now, the curry shrimp to stuff the kalonji. I'm frying the onion first. I have garam masala, Indi curry powder, lala curry powder, fish seasoning, coriander powder, and curry leaf in here. And to that I'm going to add wiri pepper, green onion, and garlic. Gonna add some water to this. And I'll add the masala mixture. Bunja this for a few minutes until the oil start to separate, and then I will add the other ingredients. Now we will add the tomato and we'll let that cook. Now that the tomato is melted, I'm going to add the shrimp. And my tamarind juice. Now I'll cover this and let it cook. And the shrimp curry is finished cooking. Now I'm gonna get the karela ready to stuff. So first thing we're gonna do is cut off the head. I'm gonna cut off the bottom. Now I'm going to remove the inside of the karela. And this is what you want to see. The inside should be. I have boiling water now. I'm going to blanch the karela for a few minutes. I can only do 2 at a time. And these are finished blanching. And the karela is finished blanching, and now we're going to stuff them. We're ready to stuff the karela now. And this one is done. And I continue until we're all done. I have wheat flour here. I'm just gonna coat the fish with the wheat flour. Let them fry until they're golden brown on one side, and then we'll flip them to the other side to fry. I made a paste with flour and water, and I'm gonna coat both ends with that to keep the filling in. And then I will start to fry. And I'll do 2 at a time. And I already cooked the dal, and for the dal video you can refer to my 7 curry video and you'll see how to make the dal. Now I will flip the fish to the other side. The fish is finished frying. Now I'm going to turn the kalonji to the other side. And the fish is ready to turn to the other side now. Fried fish is done. The fish is finished frying. We're going to use the same oil to fry some of the kalonji in. This is done. These are done. These are done. Here is my kalonji, fried fish, dal, rice, and hot pepper sauce. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.